Hello, my dear children and parents. Welcome to class 6 of Indus Valley Public School, Raj. And here we will be starting with a new poem from your Honeysuckle book. Before we start with your poem, I would like to ask how many of you are having siblings? Many of you are having siblings, no, brothers and sisters. And you used to do dushum with them, no? Isn't it? How long you will stay with the दुशुम कितनी देर रह जाते हो गुस्सा होकर एक दूसरे से, छोटी छोटी बातों पे लड़ते हो, फिर मान जाते हो 1 घंटे 2 घंटे में, कुछ ही देर में हो सकता है पर 5 मिनट में मान जाए, 5 मिनट में गुस्सा, 5 मिनट में प्यार. So this type of dushum and love we are going to study in the poem The Quarrel. So what do you mean by quarrel? A small fight, a fight between the siblings, between your friends. Okay, so now in this poem, generally we have brothers and sisters, we have our friends, and we can fight without knowing the reason why we are fighting. The quarrel can start with a small thing like you want to sleep this side of the bed. Your brother will say, no, I want to sleep this side. You want to see this channel, and he will say, no, I want to see this channel. Again a small fight. Then you want to eat Maggie, then sharing of that Maggie, somebody will get 1 spoon more, you will start fighting in that. So this small sweet fight among the brothers and sisters or with the friend, we are going to see in this poem. So you will not know कि when your fight is going to start, कब आपकी लड़ाई शुरू हो जाए पता भी ना चले. So that small छोटी सी नोक झोंक जो होगी, that we are going to study in the poem, and this poem is composed by Eleanor Ferguson. Okay, so this is the poem. So before we start with the poem, I would like to share some information about the poetess Eleanor Ferguson. She was born in the Strand, London on 13th February 1881, the daughter of Benjamin Ferguson and Maggie Jefferson Ferguson. She came from a literary family. So literary family means the family who used to be a writer, poet, or related to your language generally. Okay, writer hota hai, poet hota hai, that is a literary family. Her 2 younger brothers, Joseph and Herbert Ferguson, were writers, while the oldest, Harry Ferguson, was a composer. Ferguson, known as the family as Nelly, so उसको बुलाते थे Nelly, वो जो small timid girl, timid means उसको confidence नहीं था अपनी चीज़ों में, she was fearful, who had poor eyesight and suffered from ill health throughout her childhood. She was educated at home, spending much of her time in the attic, surrounded by her books. So she used to be on a roof that have half open, half covered, that kind of roof, and she used to be with the books every time. Her father encouraged her writing from the age of 5. So when she was 5, her father made her to write something, because whole family was from that background only. So her father made her to write also. So what she written? She describes her family and her childhood in the autobiographical A Nursery in the 90s. That is 1935. She had written an autobiography about her family. Eleanor Ferguson was an English author of children's stories and plays, poetry, biographies, history and satire. She won many literary awards like Carnegie Medal, Hans Christian Andersen Award and Regina Medal. The Eleanor Ferguson Award for Children's Literature is presented annually in her memory by the Children's Book Circle, a society of publishers. She was the sister of thriller writer Joseph Jefferson Ferguson. She left this world on 5th June 1965. So children, this is about the writer, poetess Eleanor Ferguson. Okay, now I'll read out the poem first and I'll then explain you. I'll give you the summary of the poem. So it is common for brothers and sisters. So now this poem is a quarrel between a brother and sister. Although sometimes they may not even be able to say why they quarrel, but how long do such quarrels last? How do they end? So how a quarrel begin and how a quarrel is going to end, we will be seeing this in this poem. So now coming, I'll read out the poem for you people. I quarreled with my brother, I don't know what about. One thing led to another and somewhere we fell out. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. We hated one another, the afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along, we can't go on all night. I was in the wrong, so he was in the right." This is the poem. Okay, I'll explain you now. So first we'll go with the summary. So in these lines, these lines is taken from your Honeysuckle book, from the poem The Quarrel, composed by Eleanor Furzon. Okay, so Eleanor Furzon, the poet, is trying to explain how a quarrel between two brothers began and ended without any reason. The poet says that he quarreled with his brother over something and he was not even aware why he was quarreling about. One thing was given, one thing or one problem gives the way to another, and while fighting both of them fell down. Initially it was a small petty issue, but gradually, means slowly it becomes serious. The poet was claiming to be right, whereas the heart, he knew that he was wrong. Means हमें पता होता है दिल से कि हम गलत हैं, पर हम सामने वाले को प्रूव करेंगे नहीं हम तो सही हैं. This is the situation. Means poet is saying that I am right, but from his heart he is knowing that he is wrong. Both of them did not like one another. In the afternoon, something went wrong. Then suddenly his brother hit him on the back and asked him to come along, as it is not possible or right to linger the issue throughout the night. Linger means to continue with the problem over the night. He also claimed to be on the wrong side. So when his brother tried to patch up the things, then he said that okay, I am wrong, you are correct. So get it, generosity get is lost. So in this way the brother showed his generosity and said, let's come on, we should be in the friendship mode now, we should stop our fighting mode. So now coming to the explanation of the first paragraph. So children, just see, I have marked some different colors. So it will be telling you the rhyme scheme as well as the rhyme words. Similar colors with the same rhyme, with the same rhyming words. Okay. So first line, I quarreled with my brother. So I is the poet in the given lines. So now poet is saying that I have a quarrel, I had a fight with my brother. I don't know what about. And he did not know the reason why they fought. But poet had a fight with his brother and he did not know the reason for the fighting. One thing led to another. एक बात से दूसरी बात, दूसरी बात से तीसरी बात, तीसरी बात से चौथी बात. Similarly, बात पे बात बढ़ती गई. And somehow we fell out. And बातों बातों में we fell down. The start of it was slight. The end of it was strong. So when we started with the fight, it was very small thing. It was very small, and gradually, slowly, that fight becomes a huge fight, a serious fight. He said he was right. I know he was wrong. My brother was saying that he is right, but मुझे पता था कि वो गलत है. But he is continuously tried to prove that he is correct. But I know he is wrong. So now children, here just see blue, brothers and others. Brother and another, same sound is coming. So A, and the rhyming word will be brother and about, out. Third sound is there. So B, slight, right, CC, strong, wrong, DD. The rhyme scheme will be AB, AB, CD and CD. Okay? Or you can make for the poem AB, 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 AB. You can take 4 lines and make the rhyme scheme. So now our written explanation for the poem is: the poet had a fight with his brother. Both of them were fighting and were not even aware of the cause of the fight. The fight was happening because of a series of things. One thing was given way to another. While fighting, both fell down. In the beginning, the fight was modest, means small thing, and was not very serious. But gradually, slowly, it grew intense and became serious issue. His brother said that he was right, whereas the narrator was thinking himself on the right side. तो दोनों आपस में अपने आप को सही साबित कर रहे थे, मैं सही हूँ, वो बोल रहा था मैं सही हूँ, बट एक दूसरे को पता था कौन कहाँ गलत है. Now come to the poetic device. I already explained you the rhyme scheme A B A B C D C D. Now children, one new thing is that anaphora. What is the anaphora? When we have a same word continuously repeating in the continuous line, then it becomes anaphora. Now coming here the first 2 line, I quarreled, I don't. तो रिपीटेशन आई बार बार आ रहा है ना, लाइन में 2 लाइन में कंटिन्यूसली आया, तो वो क्या बन गया आपका एनाफोरा. वो कौन सा पोएटिक डिवाइस हो गया? एनाफोरा. देन कमिंग टू योर 1 2 3 4 5th and 6th लाइन, द स्टार्ट द एंड, द का रिपीटेशन इज देयर, सो अगेन एनाफोरा इज यूज्ड. सो दिस इज योर पोएटिक डिवाइस राइम स्कीम. देन एनाफोरा. So anaphora, when a word is repeated at the start of 2 or more consecutive lines, it is the device of anaphora. Like 1-2 line में I is there, 5 and 6 line में the का repetition is there, so it is anaphora. Now coming to the alliteration is also there. The thing led to, T का repetition is there. Then was wrong, W का repetition is there. तो जब आपके एक लाइन में कुछ वर्ड्स होते हैं जिनका पहला वर्ड रिपीट होता रहता है, वो क्या बन जाता है? एलिट्रेशन. हिंदी में अनुप्रास अलंकार पढ़ा है ना, वही चीज है ये एलिट्रेशन, रिपीटेशन ऑफ द फर्स्ट वर्ड, फर्स्ट अल्फाबेट. ओके, अल्फाबेट का रिपीटेशन होना चाहिए, देन इट्स बिकम्स द एलिट्रेशन. ओके, नाउ कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट लाइंस. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. So again the poetic device is same. I think you will make out now. I think no further explanation is required for the rhyme scheme. So now coming to the explanation. So in that noon, the fight became serious and both started hating each other. They did not like anyone. All of a sudden, poet brother hit him on the back and thumped. जो आपके पीठ में आके हाथ मार देते हैं ना, that is the thumped, and asked him to get along, and it was not the right thing to pull the matter throughout the night. So now brother is saying, let's come. We should be friends now. It is not looking good कि एक सुबह का मैटर हम रात तक लेके जाएं. We should end with the matter. We should end with our fight. He also declared humbly that he was wrong, which proved his generosity. तो ब्रदर आके उसको बोलता है कि मैं गलत था, चलो अब मान जाओ, और वो जेनरसिटी, अपना एक जेंटलमैनशिप उसने दिखा दी. This moved the poet's heart and he realized that he was wrong. इस तरह से क्या हुआ कि poet was realized that he was wrong and he made friendship with his brother. Okay children, now the poetic device is again same, A B C D and C D. So this is what the explanation of your poem. Now your homework. So what is your homework? What you need to do is that you will write the poem in your notebook, you will write about the poet, you will write the poetic device of each stanza, okay, and the summary. If you want to write the explanation, you can write the explanation. I am not asking you to write it, but if you write, it will be better for you. But my requirement is that what you will write? You will write the poem, you will write the poet, you will write the poetic devices that is used in the poem and in all the stanza, and the summary of the poem. Okay children, so enjoy. Do not fight with your friends, do not fight with your siblings. अगर फाइट होती भी तो थोड़ी देर के लिए, ज़्यादा नहीं करना, थोड़ी थोड़ी सी करना. ओके, एंड एन्जॉय योर सेल्फ. बाय बाय एंड टेक केयर. थैंक यू सो मच.